Om Shri Gurudaya Namaha. Myself, Kanak Nitin Rathore, disciple of Guru Dr. Chitra Vishwanathan, Director of Abhinaya Institute, Research and Fine Arts, Vasai, Pali.
Hi, good evening. This is Nitin Rathore, father of Kanak Rathore and Heer Rathore. My both kids, or rather I would say my both daughters, are learning under the guidance of Dr. Guru Chitra Vishwanathan, the dance form called as Bharatanatyam. We as a parent, we are very proud that we have chosen a right institute, a right guru, and she is not only a guru for them, she is basically a mother for them. She is giving, or I would say, rather I would say is she is nourishing my child in all senses. It's not only dance. Today I see a drastic change in my daughter. Apart from learning dance, she is there for learning dance, yes, but apart from dance, she has learned many more things. She has diverted herself in studies. She has been concentrating most things. Yes, I would like to say one thing about the institute, Abhinaya Institute, and Dr. Chitra Vishwanathan is she has brought up my kids or got up my kids like a mother basically. The best institute in Vasai, or rather I would say the best institute in Maharashtra I have seen. Generally what happens is either kids or the mother has interest in dance and that is the reason they go for dance. But no, over here I also take a keen interest, whereas my wife Falguni Rathore also takes a keen interest about a dance form. Apart from this, there are many more things what the guru is teaching them. It's not only dance. Abhinaya Institute has brought many more delights in their life. My younger daughter has also started taking keen interest just because of her guru. It's everyone teaches dance. It's not only the dance form, but how the guru teaches is majorly a very important aspect and a very important role where the kids are more interested to go towards the classes or they want to go for a dance. It's not just a combination of class and all. It's all the learning from a dance form that they pursue in their own life. I as a parent and is very happy about my kids that I have chosen a right institute, Abhinaya Institute, and the right guru, Dr. Chitra Vishwanathan. Thank you.